Hi guys, it's Lori, Boys and Girls Club. I'm gonna show you a little quick instructional video today on how to make your Dixie cup froggy. We will have our packets on Mondays in the backyard on Jefferson Street between 11 and 1. So come down, say hi, pick up some activity packets. We also have some other goodies that we're giving away. You might want to come get a grab bag. The first thing we're going to do is take your little Dixie cup and your little green piece of paper, and you're going to put some glue on it to make it stick to the outside of the Dixie cup, of course. Wrap your little green around there. All right, the next thing is you're going to take your little yellow piece of paper and you're going to cut out your crown. Come on, stick to the paper. Put a little dab on the top so that you can stick to your crown to the top of the cup, like so. Then you should have a couple little googly eyes in your packets so that you can just glue your little eyeballs on your froggy. Little dab of glue. Sometimes glue sticks are easier. Okay, we got your little eyeballs. Then you're gonna have some little green, or I'm sorry, yellow dots to decorate his face, because froggies usually have spots on their face. It's probably a wart. Alright, so we're going to get our little yellow pieces of paper for the faces. One more here. Oh, I lost him. There he is. And then our little pink pieces for their cheeks. Come on, stick on there. I'm trying to do it fast, so it's not working as well. Of course, when you do it, you'll have a little more time to do it the right way. So we're getting there, but now he needs a little mouth. Just take your glue, put it in the shape of his little mouth that you want. Happy faces are always best, I think. Gonna put the little happy face on him. And I'm gonna have to admit that his eyeballs are a little crooked because we did it so fast. But there you go. So come down here. We have several activity packets that are ready and available that have all the materials in it for you girls and boys to do these activities. So come down and see us. That's Mondays between 11 and 1 o'clock. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a good day. Bye.